Merry Christmas, bitches!
Nah, I'm just kidding. It ain't Christmas yet. Hey, what's up? It's Bobby Short here. Jay Savage.
Yo.
I know. Yeah, we know. Alright, so now we're gonna do vlog.
Pop, when you light a cigarette, there's over it makes 7,000 chemicals coming through.
What does your life do? Anyway, so back with another vlog. Today we're gonna go to Star Wars, watch it, and yeah, it is today. So we're gonna watch Star Wars today, The Force Awakens. We're not gonna let you see the movie because you know we don't want to see spoilers.
And it's illegal.
Yeah. So we're just gonna show you ads and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna vlog. I'm gonna go to North House. Alright, so I'm gonna alright, so I'm gonna vlog it now.
Right.
I'm trying to vlog you guys. Damn it.
Give me that phone.
Nigga. Anyway, so I'm gonna vlog for now. We're gonna go to Noah's house, you know, play some Valkyrie.
You're gonna go for it?
Bitch. Anyway, so I'm vlogging for now. So see you guys in Noah's house. So they're just showing trailers right now. Who Velocity left because he didn't go. Go. Fuck you, nigga. Bitch. So they're just showing the trailers. I'll just. I'm not allowed to show you the movie, so like I'm gonna just pause it. No. I'm recording for the vlog.
Alright, you good?
So I'll see you guys later. Yo, so we just came out the movie theater right here. Bro, epic movie of my life. I'm not gonna tell you it because I don't want to spoil it for those spoilers. So, yo, Thomas, tell them how good the movie is. Like,
was beast, man.
Yo, what?
They should make a Star Wars episode.
Yo, what? Let's just hope they do. Yo, post your lucks right here for a Star Wars episode.
All those people that had those Star Wars stuff, keep that. For another 10 years, you can sell that for like a lot of money.
Yo, what? Yo, I'm gonna keep my lightsaber. Keep my lightsaber with me though. So yeah. Oh yeah, bring the couple with you. Oh yeah, check this out, yo. You know we got this for free. Actually, nah, we didn't get it. We had to pay for it. But yo, 2 weeks full of popcorn and soda, bro. I'm gonna just bring that with me next time. Yeah, there is. Whatever. Anyway, yo, I'm gonna unvlog for now. Yo, peace out. Yo, epic movie of my life. Yo, and I'll see you later. Bye.